Hi, Eric here, and I'm going to show you guys how the Who's Up Next module works on Teamzy. So I'm looking at my Teamzy dashboard here, and right in the center of my dashboard is the Who's Up Next module. You'll see it right here in the center. This is like the engine room of Teamzy. This is what makes it so special, and it's going to really transform the way you work. It's going to make you so effective and so efficient and keep you absolutely focused on connecting and doing your income producing activities. Let me show you how this works. So you'll see on the Who's Up Next, there's two parts. The side on the left, the first part are your lists. You've got prospects, customers, distributors, right? That's your team, depending on which version of Teams you're using. It may be called something else, maybe called coaches, maybe called consultants, maybe called social marketers, whatever your network uses, but that's your team. And your follow-ups. Prospects, customers, distributors, follow-ups. We've got 4 lists here on the left side. Now on the right-hand side is where we log our message. Right? And there's a few other things that we can do here also. We can quickly look at past conversations, any details about their contact info, and any notes we've kept on that person as well. But this is the side where we do our logging, and this is the side that tells us where to connect. Now, notice a couple of things. There's only 5 people on each list at a time, and that's by design, guys. That's to keep you focused so you won't get overwhelmed by seeing your hundreds or thousands of contacts, and just to keep your mind on who you should be connecting with next. It also prevents you from skipping around your list and missing people that might actually give you great results if you would just reach out and connect with them. Okay? Again, your list is going to be ordered based on setup, the priority you give them with their number ranking, and also the last time you connected with them, things like that. But the list is going to be cycling through each day, telling you who to connect with today. It takes the planning and thinking out of this business, guys. So the first person on my list is Jay, and I'm going to connect with her. Again, a connect is just reaching out to say hello, start a conversation, and I'm hoping to make her day. I call it the make someone's day mindset. That's my goal. I just want to start a conversation with Jay. So I'm going to send her a message, typically on Facebook, but you can use any form of communication you prefer. But if I'm not sure what to say to Jay, what I'll do is over here in the connect box on the bottom middle where it says scripts, I can grab one of Teamzy's easy to use conversational scripts. So maybe I'll use this one, just stopping by to say hello, how are you? I hope your day is awesome. I can just copy that script, send it to her via Facebook, and this is where I'd log it. I would just log it right here, guys. And as I log these messages, you'll notice Jay is off my list. My list has moved up. If I look at the top, look at this. I've got 1 on the scoreboard. Now I'm going to go to the next person, Sue. I'm going to connect with her the same way. Bam, 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 bam. My goal was 10. I'm not sure what your goal is, but whatever it is, you stay on that list. You send those connect messages until you're done with that list. Then you move to the next one, customers. Now I'm going to connect with my customers the same way. There's great scripts there again that I can lean into to use, but I just want to make their day. I just want to connect and stay connected to them, stay top of mind, and build that relationship with them. After I'm done with my goals on customers, I'll move to the next list, which is my team, and I'm going to connect with my team. I'm going to send them messages to build those relationships. Make sense? Finally, I've got my follow-ups, and there's nobody here automatically. You have to put people on your follow-ups list. But as you're creating conversations throughout the week, and there's opportunities to invite people to learn about the business or to a business opportunity call or meeting or to try products or however you promote your business, when there are opportunities to do that, that's when you'll set a follow-up with somebody and put them on your follow-ups list. So for example, if I was connecting with Sue and I wanted to set a follow-up, I would just click on follow-up here in the middle and set a follow-up. That would move her, when I connect with her this time, it would move her over to my follow-ups list, and that's where I'll connect. So my Who's Up Next list has my 4 lists: prospects, customers, distributors, follow-ups. This is going to make you so incredibly efficient, you guys. You're going to bang through your power hour, no planning required, no thinking required, just making people's day. In this case, we connected with more than 20 people in less than an hour, probably more like 30 minutes. How great is that? Talk to you guys soon. God bless.